Good morning, all. Good morning, students. Join the live. Now I will start the questions. Good morning, students. Join the live. Join the live fast. Join the live fast. Sarth bhai, good morning and share in the group. Join the live fast. Sarth bhai, good morning and share in the group. Join the live fast. Yeah. Okay. My number Acharya Vijay sir. Yeah. My number is 926 555 7093 sir. You can take it. You can ask the students. They will. Anybody you can give that my number to him. Okay, now let's start the question. Okay, we can start it. So yesterday I explained infinity by infinity topic, a very important topic that I explained. I'll revise once. Limit extending to infinity whenever you have ax square plus bx plus c upon px square plus qx plus r. So whenever the degree of numerator and the degree of denominator, these both are same. Degree of numerator and degree of denominator is same. Then the answer from limit extends to infinity is the coefficient of the highest degree will be the answer. So a by p will be the answer. When limit extending to infinity, when you have ax square plus bx plus c upon ax plus b, suppose degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, then the answer is what? What will be the answer? Infinity. We can also say dne. Infinity also you can say dne. Limit extending to infinity, ax plus b upon px square plus qx plus r. When you have like this, means degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, then you will get the answer is 0. So these are the three things I discussed in the previous. Limit extends to infinity, ax square plus bx plus c upon px square plus qx plus r. When the both degrees are same, then a by p is the answer. When the numerator degree is greater than denominator degree, then the answer is infinity. We can say dne. And when the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, the answer is 0. Now we are going to solve more problems based on this concept. So if you understand this concept, we are going to solve questions which was asked in JEE mains in previous year, and some other questions we are going to learn. Okay, are you able to see the board? May I know that? Are you able to see the board? Is it visible to all? Namit, Purva, please give me answer that you are able to see the board. Is this board is clear to you all? Yes, visible. Yeah. Fine. Now I'll explain some questions now. Okay, did you understand these 3 points? Did you understand these 3 points which I explained? Did you understand these 3 points? Yes, visible. Yeah, Sarthak boy, yes, visible. Namit, yes, sir. Yeah, fine. So let's see now. Now what I want to say here, let's start a question. Okay, let's start some questions based on this. some JE questions, some important questions we will solve. Okay, on this topic. This is infinity by infinity we are doing. 0 by 0 form we have completed. 7 indeterminate forms are there. 0 by 0 is completed. Infinity by infinity we are doing. Limit n tends to infinity. Look at here. Limit n tending to infinity, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divide by n minus 1 into n plus 3 into n plus 7. So you have to find the answer for this. Okay, you have to find the answer for this. Okay, let us discuss now this answer. See, the given limit n tends to infinity, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into upon n minus 1 into n plus 3 into n plus 7. See that if I multiply numerator, if I multiply denominator, I am going to get n cube is the highest power. Highest power I will get n cube. So can I divide by n cube on both sides? So I can divide highest power. See, look at that. Which is the highest power? The degree is that. So that should be divided. So n cube I have to divide, and I divide each place by n. So what I get here, limit n tending to infinity, I'll get here n by n into n plus 1 by n into n plus 2 upon by n, and here I get n minus 1 divided by n into n plus 3 divided by n into n plus 7 divided by n. Yesterday I explained this concept, that infinity concept is that what is the highest degree is that should be divided. So n cancel here. So limit n tending to infinity, what I can write here, if I separate this n by n, that is I get 1 plus 1 by n, and here I get 1 plus 2 by n, and here I get 1 minus 1 by n, and here I get as 1 plus 3 by n, and here I get as 1 plus 7 by n. Look at here, yesterday I explained that if n is tending to infinity, then 1 by n will be tending to 0, 1 by n square will be tending to 0. I already informed yesterday. So now you substitute the limit. So if you substitute the limit, what I am going to get the answer is 1 plus 1 by n is 0. I told now 1 by n is 0. So 1 plus 2 by n is 0. And 1 minus 0, and you are going to get 1 plus 0, and you are going to get 1 plus 0. The answer will be getting as 1 here, 1 into 1, the total is 1 upon 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, totally answer is 1. 1 is the answer. Did you understand? Pooja correct, Purva correct, 1 is the answer. Yes, Pooja already they gave answer. Pooja and Purva both are given the answer. They are right. Somesh Patil, hello sir, good morning. Good morning Somesh. How are you? So 1 is the answer. Did you understand all? 1 is the answer. Did you understand? Yes, understood, Athar. Right. Let's start the next questions. Okay. So let's start next questions based on infinity upon infinity. See here, yeah. Is there some network issue is there? Okay, fine. Now everyone. Sarthak boy understood. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next question. Next question here. If you are not able to see proper this live, you don't worry that after the completing this you will get everything proper. Okay. See, after completing the live lecture, you are going to get uploading. After uploading, you will get proper one. So no need to worry about this. Next question, limit n tending to infinity, 3n plus 3 factorial divided by n plus 1 whole cube, n plus 1 whole cube into 3n factorial. So the next question is, this is the next question, n plus 3 factorial upon n plus 1 whole cube divided by n factorial. What is the answer for this? Limit n tending to infinity. Okay, let's discuss this. Let us discuss this question. Okay, limit n tending to n factorial, you know that I can write as limit n factorial is this. One second, down denominator I have it out. Yeah, factorial. Okay, fine. So factorial, so what I can write, limit n tending to infinity. This I can write how? See, if I take 3 common, I get as n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 whole cube into 3n factorial. So I can send 3 back out, 3 out and n factorial. So 3, you have whenever factorial is there, 3 can write 3n factorial. Okay. Now what I can write now? So this is, I can write limit n tending to infinity. Yeah. See that n plus 1 factorial, can I write as n plus 1 into n factorial? N plus 1 into n factorial. Right? Anybody got the answer? Three cannot take out common, right? If it's a factorial, you cannot take out common. So here I can write as 3n plus 3 into 3n plus 2 into 3n plus 1. Okay, factorial. Then after I can write as 3n factorial. But something is missing here. 3n plus 3 into 3n plus 2 plus 3n plus 1, next 3n factorial divided by n plus 1 whole cube into 3n factorial. Yes. Okay. So what I do here, 3n factorial cancel out. Now correct. So 3n plus 3 factorial is there and n plus 1 whole cube and 3n factorial. I wrote here 3n plus 3, 3n plus 2, 3n plus 1 into 3n factorial. This I wrote as n plus 1 whole cube 3n factorial. So now what I can write, what is remain here? Now remain is 3n plus 3 into 3n plus 2 into 3n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 whole cube. Now check the highest. See, if I multiply the numerator, I get n cube. See here, n into n square, that I multiply n cube I will get, if a cubic I will get. And here also n plus 1 whole cube, if I open this n plus 1 whole cube, I will get as n cube. So highest degree is n cube, so I can divide by n cube on both sides. So I can divide by n cube. Now I can divide by n cube. Did you understand? All you are able to understand this? Cancel 3 factorial. Yeah, no. Yeah. See this here, 3n. See, this is 3n plus 3 factorial. Constant cannot taken out common. Okay. See, 3n plus 3 factorial is not equal to 3 into n plus 1 factorial. These both are not equal. They are not equal. Okay, that's why what I wrote here, 3n plus 3, 3n plus 2, 3n plus 1, then 3n factorial. Here n plus 1 whole cube, 3n factorial. 3n factorial cancel. 3n plus 3, 3n plus 2, 3n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole cube. Now if I multiply on numerator, I get highest power is n cube, denominator also highest power n cube. So I told you yesterday only that highest power should be divided numerator and denominator. So divide by n cube on numerator and denominator. Okay, denominator. So what I get here, limit n tending to infinity. I am dividing by n cube, so n I am giving separate to each term. So what I get here, 3n plus 3 divided by n, 3n plus 2 divided by n, 3n plus 1 divided by n. I separated to each n. And this I can write as n plus 1 whole cube divided by n cube, because I have to give n cube for both. Now this one, limit n tending to infinity, I get here. See, I can separate now. 3 plus 3 by n I get. And if I separate n and cancel, 3 plus 2 by n I get. And this, if I separate, 3 plus 1 by n I get. And this I can write, this is can be written as what? N plus 1 by n whole cube, because this is also cube, that is also cube. So finally, what I am getting here is limit n tending to infinity. See, I can substitute limit. Now I told you already that this is n plus 1 by n. Can I write this n plus 1 by n? I separate this one. See that n plus 1 by n can be separate. N by n plus 1 by n cancel. I can write 1 plus 1 by n. So this is also can be written easily. That is 1 plus 1 by n. Now you know that n is tending to infinity. Then 1 by n is tending to 0. So 3 into 1 by n, 0. 2 into 1 by n, 0. 1 by n, 0. 1 by n, 0. Now you substitute the limit, you get the answer. The answer is 3 plus 0 into 3 plus 0 into 3 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 whole cube. So 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Answer is 27. 27 is the answer. Yes, Pooja, correct. Prathamesh, answer 27 correct. Purva, 27 correct. Pooja, correct. Purva, cancel 3 factorial. No, Purva, you can do like this. But answer is 27, it is correct. Answer is 27, it's correct. Did you understand? Did you all understood? Mena, did you all understood? Clear, Ranjit, Atar. One thing you tell me that you are able to see the board proper. You are able to see the board proper. Now just tell me that you are able to see the board. Can I check once in the Google Meet? Can I check the live in Google Meet, or this is clear? Pooja, yes, everything is clear. Yes, sir, board is clear. Okay, fine. Fine then. So let's start other questions. Now JEE questions will start. Chalo, start karte na. So infinity by infinity we are doing, okay? Then after we do some L'Hopital rule questions also. Right? Standard questions, yesterday I explained only two standard formulas, right? That is limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x upon x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. One standard I explained. Another standard I explained, limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m by x power n minus a power n, that is equal to m by n a power m minus n. So these both I had explained it, right? Right now we will learn more standard limits, but before that let me complete this question. This is asked in 1984 JEE. This question is asked. The question is limit n tending to infinity. Question is 1 by 1 minus n square plus 2 by 1 minus n square plus so and so plus n by 1 minus n square is equal to how much? Option A 0, option B minus 1 by 2, option C half, option D none. Now this is the question. Okay, this is a question in JEE. They asked limit n tending to infinity. See, one more thing I am telling you. After finishing this lecture, there will be plenty of questions of shortcuts and plenty of interesting questions will be there. That all I will teach. Okay. Now see this concept here, limit. The solution for this, limit n tending to infinity. I can write this one. See that 1 minus n square is common. So I can take 1 minus n square LCM. I get on the top what? 1 plus 2 plus so and so plus n. This is sum of natural numbers formula. So limit n tending to infinity. We can write here sum of natural number formula is n into n plus 1 upon 2 divided by 1 minus n square. Look at that. So what I am getting here, limit n tending to infinity. I am going to get here this one down. So n square plus n. I get n square plus n divided by 2 into 1 minus n square. See, I told you no need to solve such questions. I already informed you that limit n tending to infinity, you are getting here n square plus n and you are getting here minus 2n square plus 2. So degree of numerator and degree of denominator are both are same. Then we can take the coefficients is the answer. So minus half is the answer. So directly B is the right answer. Because here n square coefficient is 1, here n square coefficient is minus 2. So the answer is minus half is the correct answer. Did you understand? Did you understand now? Chalo bolo far. Yes, Purva, you are right. Blur, Atharv, Aitha, Kurana. Sir, blur, sir. Okay, if it is blur now, you have to watch later after completing this live stream. Pooja understood, Sarth Bohi understood, Prathamesh Patil understood, very good. So here, if it is blur now, you can watch after the completing the live lecture. Otherwise, I'll see in the Google Meet, I'll take it. Once in Google Meet, you can check it out. Okay. And remain students, you have to attend this lecture is important for JEE point of view and CET point of view. Okay. Clear? Let's go for the next question. So the next question is evaluate limit x tending to infinity square root of 3x square minus 1 minus square root of 2x square minus 1 divided by 4x plus 3. So you have to find this one, limit x tending to infinity square root of 3x square minus 1 minus square root of 2 into x square minus 1 divided by 4x plus 3. See here in this, the main thing is you need to see, you can take the highest degree common. See in this, inside the bracket, I can take x square common. So 3 minus 1 by x square I will get. 3 minus 1 by x square. Minus under root of here, I can take x square common, 2 minus 1 by x square I will get, and divided by here I can take x common, 4 plus 3 by x I will get. See, therefore I get limit x tending to infinity. On this top, x square, x will come out. I get under root of 3 minus 1 by x minus under root of x will be come out. So 2 minus 1 by x square divided by here x square, okay, divided by x into 4 plus 3 by x. See this x will be common out. So this x, all these x's cancel out because this x is multiplying total, this x is dividing, so both will be cancelled. As I already informed you that x is tending to infinity, 1 by x will be tending to 0, 1 by x square, anything power, that will be tending to 0. Substitute the limit now. Now if you substitute the limit, what I am going to get is, the answer is under root of 3 minus 0 minus under root of 2 minus 0 divided by 4 plus 0 I will get. So root 3 minus root 2. I get here root 3 minus, I think somebody calling. Root 3 minus root 2 by 4 is. See here, I am going to get the answer is root 3 by root 2. Not blur. Okay, now so it's clear. No, okay, sir. Okay. See here, this is what you are going to get here. The answer is root 3 minus root 2 by 4. So this is your answer. Root 3 minus root 2 by 4 is the answer. The final answer is root 3 minus root 2 by 4. Did you understand all? Root 3 minus root 2 upon 4 is the right answer. Yes, understood, Pooja. Very good. Everyone, Yashwini Patil understood. Yeah. Yes, clear. Can I start? Go next question. So let's go for the next question. So next question I'll start. This is asked in JE, that this is the questions. Now which is the questions I'm going to explain, they are very, very important for JEE. So make a star for these questions, and these are every time they're asked in exam. So these are most important questions for JEE, IIT point of view, even any competitive exam. So write down limit extending to infinity. Such questions are asked many times. X square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus ax minus b is equal to 4. Then what? Is the question option A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4. Option B, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4. Option C, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3. Option D, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. It's a JEE question, JEE 2012 question. Even they asked recently also such model questions. So let us see here. The question is here. Limit extending to infinity x square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 1 minus ax minus b. This value is equal to 4. Then what is the value of a and b? This is the question. Let's see now answers. Everyone, all of you listen here. Limit extends to infinity. Okay. See now what I want to ask you this. Whenever you have limit extends to infinity and you got a finite answer, means 4 you got. It means what is the meaning of that? The degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator same, then only these things happens. What I want to say here, in the beginning lecture I explained limit extending to infinity, you have ax plus b by cx plus d. If the degree is same, then I will get a by c is the answer. If degree is same, then only I will get the answers. Like here, if I take here any number, like here, if I take here 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 2, then only I am going to get the 4 answer. It means what? Degree of the denominator and degree of the numerator must be same, then only you will get that. That is the idea it is giving. Correct? So what I want to say, first of all, I make this LCM and then I'll make the degrees separate. Means I'll make it separate here. See that I take x plus 1 is the LCM, and then I get here x square plus x plus 1 minus ax into x plus 1 minus b into x plus 1, and this is equal to 4. Correct? So what I get here, limit extending to infinity, look at here, limit extending to infinity, I get x square plus x plus 1 minus a into x square ax square minus ax minus bx minus b divided by x plus 1 is equal to 4 I get. Correct? Am I right? It means what it indicates here is I can separate the x square, x and coefficient of x and constant separate, then you will understand. Limit extending to infinity, if I take x square common out, I get 1 minus a. If I take x common out, 1 minus a. No, wait. So I get, if I take x common out, here is 1, here is minus a, here is minus b into x. The constant is 1 here and here minus b. That's it. Nothing else constant. Yeah. Divided by x plus 1, and this is equal to 4. So this is what you are going to get. Till now, did you understand? Till now, is it understand? Purva Patil, option B, you said. Very good. Let's see. Samruti understood. Equation of x square coefficient to 0 in the numerator. Yes, you are right. See, so here the thing is, we have to make coefficient of x square, this one you have to make it 0. Then only you get finite answer. So x square coefficient, make it 0 now. She is right. Okay, x square coefficient, make it 0. If I make x square coefficient 0, that means 1 minus a is equal to 0 I take. So a value will get 1. So a is equal to 1 I will get. A value 1 I will get. A value will be 1. Is it understood? Then what is remain here? Limit extending to infinity. Limit extending to infinity. I get here remain is 1 minus a minus b into x plus 1 minus b divided by x plus 1 is equal to 4. So you know that answer for the limit extending to infinity is a finite answer. Then answer must be coefficient of x and coefficient of x. What I want to say here, you have here px plus c upon qx plus r, then p by q is the answer. So don't see 4, see the left side. What will be the answer for the limit extends to infinity for this? That is 1 minus a minus b divided by here 1. Coefficient of x in the numerator is 1 minus a minus b, and denominator is 1, then that is equal to 4. So I get 1 minus a minus b is equal to 4. And a value already you got 1. Substitute there. 1 minus 1 minus b equal to 4. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. B is equal to minus 4. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 4. B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Yes, Purva correct. Prathamesh correct. Vignesh understood. Option B correct. Karuna Sri, sorry. Karuna Sri, yeah, correct. Yeah, understood everyone. Let's go for the next question. Can we start next question? Let's move on to the next question. So these are the infinite problems, okay? Infinity upon infinity problems, these are. This is infinity by infinity, okay? So we are solving infinity by infinity problems. So one by one we will go to the next topics, okay, when it is finished out. So next one more question I am giving, you just tell me the answer direct. Limit extending to infinity. square root of x square plus 1 minus cubed root of x cube plus 1 divided by fourth root of x power 4 plus 1 minus fifth root of x power 4 plus 1. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? What will be the answer for this question? See, if you are confusing, there is a second method also for this. You can substitute x is equal to 1 by t, then limit will change, limit t tends to 0. You can use this way also. Wherever x is there, substitute 1 by t, limit t tends to 0, you can do it. Otherwise, directly limit x tends to infinity also, you can use it. Any way you can do this problem. So tell me this answer and I'll start the next question. Come on, tell me. You got the answer? 1. Okay, fine. 1. Prathamesh 0, Purva Patil 1. Let's see here. I'll give one more question. Till that time you can solve it. I'll give one more question. Yeah, I'll give one more question. Limit x tending to infinity, x into sin x. X into sin x factorial divided by 1 plus x square. So two questions are there. Now I'll explain this question. So you want x is equal to 1 by t substitution or direct? You want substitution or direct? See here, most of the cases whenever you have x tending to infinity, you can use this concept or you can use the whatever you want to know. Okay, let's see here. I can explain both the methods if you want, but 1 by t here applicable more easy. 1 by t will be more easy in this case, but I'll explain the previous methods only. See, in this square root is there, take x square common. So 1 plus 1 by x square I get. And cubed root is there, take x cube common. 1 plus 1 by x cube I'll get. Here fourth root is there, take x power 4 common, 1 plus 1 by x power 4. And here fifth root is there, okay, fifth root is there, take x power 5 common, x power 5 you take common here. So I get as 1 by x plus 1 by x power 5. Did you all understood this step? This last step, this is a crucial step. Because I have fifth root, have to take x power 5 common. But I have here x power 4, 1x will be divides. Because I have x power 5 I am taking means x power 4 divided by x power 5 I will get. So 1 by x I will get. Did you understand here? When I take x power 5 common, I will get x power 4 divided by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. This point is the crucial point in this method. Did you understand this? Ranjit, let me see. Did you understand this step? You understood? Now main thing is I want to know you understood this method or not. Answer I will tell you, no problem. You can go x is equal to 1 by t also, but I am telling in this method only. I took x square common, x cube common, x power 4, x power 5. Did you understand, Vignesh? Yes. Yes, Pooja, yes. Fine. Let's see here. So x square, in that x will come out. Limit extending to infinity. Try to understand this point. X will common out, x will come out. Totally x whole common out. I get under root of 1 plus 1 by x square. Arey, somebody is calling, wait. One second, I am getting call, important call, but I'll explain this after this. Okay, yeah, this is IK1 minus, I'll take the complete common. I get here x cube x, this is cancelled out. So I get under root of 1 plus 1 upon x cube. This I'll get. Here in this case x will be coming out 1 plus 1 upon x power 4 and square root minus, in that x power 5 x will come, x will common out. So I get under root of 1 upon x plus 1 upon x power 5. This is what I am going to get it. The wholly this x is cancelled out. And if x is tending to infinity, 1 by x is tending to 0, 1 by x square tending to 0, 1 by x cube tending to 0, 1 by x power 4 tending to 0, 1 by x power 5, all will be tending to 0. So what I am going to get the answer is, if I separate the limit, I get under root of 1 plus 0 minus under root of 1 plus 0, okay, divided by, correct na? Under root of 1 plus 0 minus under root of 0 plus 0. Finally, I get as 1 root 1 minus root 1, that is 1. 1 minus 1 by root 1 value, 1 minus 0. I get as 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0 is the answer. So you are right, those who have given the answer 0, that is right answer. 0 is the right answer for this question. 0 is the right answer. Pooja 0, Samriti yes, Purva Patil 0, yes. Namit 0, correct. So finally this is what the answer for this. You are able to see the board proper? Is it visible? If not visible, then you do one thing. After this live stream, you can watch it. After uploading, the video will be clear. Okay, fine. All are not attending lectures. 30 members to be attend the lecture. All are not attending. If you not attend, you will be losing. Na? Who is going to lose? Okay, today now I will explain this one more question. Then I will stop. I am getting very important call. So you need to attend the chemistry lecture also. I will give one more question homework. So limit x tending to infinity, what I have? X into sin x factorial divided by 1 plus x square you have. See, this is what you have. It's an interesting question. Sin x factorial is a value. You know sin x factor. Sin x means what? It's a numerical value. You know sin x is a numerical value. Do you know that sin x is what? Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Sin 90 degrees 0. It's a numerical value which oscillates between minus 1 to 1. So it's a numerical value. So what is the highest degree in this? The highest degree in this, what is the highest degree? X square. So divided by x square, this question, limit x is tending to infinity, I get x upon x square into sin x. इसमें divide मत करना, ये number है ना? Sin x is a number divided by 1 plus x square divided by x square. So 1x, this is cancel out. So what I get here, limit x tending to infinity, look at here, I get as what I am getting, 1 by x into sin x factorial, okay, divided by 1 upon x square plus x square by x square is 1. As you know all, that is when x is tending to infinity, 1 by x is tending to 0, 1 by x square is tending to 0. So the answer will be for this one is sin x is some number, right? What is the answer? Tell me. Infinity is the answer. DNE. What is the answer? Is the DNE answer? Zero. Okay. See here, this is I am going to get sin x factorial divided by 0. Okay, 0 divided by, this is into 0 na. Oh, okay, sorry, ये है ना, 1 by x is 0. Okay, 1 by x is tending to 0 ना. और sin x factorial किधर से किधर है? Sin x will be oscillate between -1 to 1. -1 to 1. So it's not a fixed number. Divided by 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. Something I wrote wrong. One second. Let me see the question. Sin x by x. Fine, I got the same. Yeah. See, divided by x. Okay. See, now I'll make you understand now. See this. Limit extends to infinity. I get 1 by x into sin x factorial divided by 1 by x square plus 1. See, I am not going to use 1 by x concept here because it is a sin x value always lies between -1 to 1 because we don't know x value here. X is infinity, na? At infinity, I told you already in sine graph. I told you sine graph. I'll tell you in the limits concept. See here in sine graph, sine infinity place, we don't know what is infinity. See, this is main important point you need to understand. At infinity, see, sine 0 is 0. Okay. Sine 30 is half. If you know these values, you can say 0, 1, half like that. But sine infinity plus infinity we don't know. It is a isolation. So this is called the value always lies between -1 to 1. So sin x in sin x factorial I can write as -1 to 1 divided by x, and 1 by x square is 0 plus 1. So 1 by x I am not taking 0 here because reason is what? X is 0 na. See, x is tending to infinity. X is tending to infinity. So I'll use infinity now here. So what I get here? I'll get here finite by, see this is very important, finite by infinite divided by 0 plus 1 is 1. So finite by infinite is how much? 0. Finite by infinite value is 0. So 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 0 is the answer. Finally, the answer for this is 0. 0 is the answer. Did you understand all? Hello? Did you understand? 0, sir. Yeah. Yes. 0 is the answer. Karuna Sri. Yeah. Ranjit. Who is this Karuna Sri? Any our student? Yeah, Vignesh, yes. Ranjit, yes. Prathamesh, yes. Everyone understood? Finite by infinite is 0. So 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So you have a chemistry lecture. Now we will stop this live. So hope you have understood. We'll see if it is possible. I'll take afternoon lecture. Otherwise, we'll see tomorrow. I'll take extra lecture. Okay. If it is possible, I'll try. Otherwise, not, because I am taking for 11th also extra lecture. So that it depends. I am not sure. Okay. Okay, understood. Write the notes, and those who are not able to see the board proper, after completing the live, It will be uploaded in the YouTube. At that time you can watch it, and I am going to make it unlist all the videos of this chapter. Only you can see the chapter. Okay, Tejaswini, Yashraj, Vijay, Vignesh, Tejaswini, Pusarth, Pooja, Samruti, Atharv. Yeah, fine. Bye everyone. Okay, bye, take care. Is this live is okay now? Fine.